We started this process when I was already 31. We wanted to go the family way. We thought like a normal couple, we will conceive normally, naturally, but it didn't happen for us. We tried for almost 1.5 to 2 years. At the end of those 2 years, we found out that I have low AMH and my one fallopian tube was blocked. So we thought of meeting a special doctor for this.
First IVF cycle, because of a low egg reserve, yielded less eggs and embryos which were formed did not implant. The second IVF cycle was successful and they were overjoyed, but unfortunately, she went in for an ectopic pregnancy.
The journey has been a very different one, and after so many months, it just takes some amount of time to recall all the phases that we went through together, and especially seeing Vaishali go through it separately also.
My IVF journey was not very easy because of low AMH and because of my thin lining.
The pregnancy progressed very well. I had given special drugs to prepare the lining where the blood flow could be increased. The thickness reached an optimum level.
So my first cycle was a failure. Medicines were not working on me. And in second IVF cycle, we saw a positive result, but later we came to know for lining implantation has happened in one of my tube. It was not a successful cycle. It ended up in an ectopic pregnancy.
And I think that really helped the entire process in terms of taking decisions quickly and moving on. Apart from that, I think one thing that we for the first few months lacked was the kind of right guidance until the time we decided to come to Max Panchsheel and under Dr. Surveen.
That is when it came to my mind that ectopic pregnancy occurs only when embryo is unable to implant in the uterus and then travels looking for a better area and reaches the tube.
So in this entire process, doctor suggested that we should go for the biopsy, and we went for the biopsy and we came to know that I have a tuberculosis, and we were very happy with this result because now I knew that what was the problem. We know the root cause problem for my situation.
Also, I think the entire journey, I would love to say that it was made fruitful with at every step. One, the constant support and the availability of doctor who was just a message or a call away at any point of time really helped us build that trust and confidence with her from day one.
The biopsy came out to be positive and we went ahead and treated her for tuberculosis for 6 months. I told her to have patience because the treatment for tuberculosis is long drawn. However, they were very anxious for a baby.
So my pregnancy was a very normal, natural pregnancy. It was a very happy pregnancy. Doctor kept telling us that it is a precious pregnancy, but it was just a normal process, and we enjoyed the entire process, and now we have our 15 months baby boy with us.